Hi everyone, today we're going to do a video on how to change the oil on the Washr Pro. Alright guys, so the equipment that you're going to need to perform the oil change is the oil. We're going to use 10W30, an oil catcher, funnel, shifter, a 14mm socket to undo the actual drainage plug. Alright, step one, we're going to grab the shifter and we're going to remove the breather cap on the Washr Pro. Step two, we're going to elevate the unit as the drain plug is on the rear of the actual unit itself. Step three, we're going to remove the drain plug off the Washr Pro. Step four, we're going to catch all the old oil in the tray. Step five, we're going to put the drain plug back into the unit. Step six, we're going to put the funnel in the top of the manifold of the Washr Pro and we're going to fill new oil into the unit. Guys, please be aware that you have a little window on the side of the unit that will give you an actual marking of when you've hit the actual right amount of oil. You have low and high and you have a line right in the middle. We want to fill it up to the lines. If you guys don't have a measurement device, just go gently and slow because it will trickle through and then quickly build up to that line. Be patient, add oil a bit at a time. Final step, we're going to put the breather cap back onto the unit with your shifter. All right guys, and that's how you change the oil on the Washr Pro / Tradie. Because it's a triplex pump, same principles are going to apply to the Tradie. Basically, when you first get the unit, first 50 hours, do those steps, drain the oil, refill it up again, and then every 200 hours after that. The more you maintain these products, the longer they will last. If you need any further support, please contact our 1300 number, our service team, or have a look for more information in the manual.